Hello everyone. So today on this video we're going to be reviewing what I need over for your principal and poster project, so that it will cover one of the art principles that your group chooses. Your group should consist of 4 to 5 people. And then for the poster itself, just to make sure that everybody's on the same page, I need all names of your group on the back. So every single student, I need every single name on the back. On your front, I need the name of the principal. I need the definition that we covered in your notes. And then I also need the definition in your own words. That way, it's not just like big, huge words that you don't understand. You can actually go out, simplify it, go check up on YouTube. There's probably a more simple definition, or if you can describe one of the examples on your page, 9 times out of 10, that actually is a really good example for your own definition. And then I also need to see 3 pictures of your principal. So, just to review, our 7 principles are pattern, movement, unity, rhythm, balance, emphasis, and contrast. So you pick one of these 7, then your group can get started. So for an example of how the poster could look like, I just did it really quick, but I have emphasis up on the top. You can put it anywhere just as long as it's one of the bigger things on there, so I can know automatically what your principle is. I have my example definition, even though it's just squiggly lines, I was trying to go really fast. I have my definition, and then I have 3 different examples. So this one I used light and dark, this one I used isolation, also kind of light and dark, and then I also used contrast whenever I was using complementary colors. So by the end of today, 1, I need your group solidified, and 2, I need your principal chosen for your group, your names on the back of your poster, and then I need you guys to get started and utilize your time wisely for the remainder of class. If you need me or any materials, please just raise your hand. I'm actually going to be up here grading your guys' sketchbook, so please don't sit there and meander around my room, because that will cut into your final grade. So, again, our poster covers principal name, definition, your definition, 3 different examples, and all of your names on the back of it, so that way I can tell and grade and give you guys your grade, okay? So, do your best, and if you need me, please just let me know with your hand. Thank you.